All right, guys, we're gonna be redoing some benches. This is the final product. We're gonna be redoing some benches. You can probably see one sitting outside, and we have another one sitting here. So, to see how I redid these benches and kind of brought them back to life, you're gonna have to watch the video. Let's get this taken apart. I'm sure some of you are wondering why I have my router flipped upside down, and it's because I don't have a router table. So just to get by for this project, I just used the router upside down pretty much as a router table. And it worked out pretty good. I got all the edges on these pieces rounded over, so when you sit down, you know, it's not scratching you and all that. So for the time being, until I can get a router table, I just had to do what I had to do. Alright guys, well, appreciate you following along in the video and seeing how I did these benches. This was pretty interesting. I've never like restored a bench before, let alone two benches, but it was interesting. Pretty straightforward, I guess you could say. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for some more videos I have coming out soon, some more ideas I got floating around. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.
Now we're finished.